This is a balance. It is equipped with 3 doors that can open and close. First, turn on the balance. Place your weighboat onto the platform and close all of the doors. Use this button to tare the balance and wait for the reading to read 0. Open both of the side doors and use your scoopula or spatula to transfer the chemical from the bottle to the weighboat. Use a scoopula for pellets and a spatula for powders. Close all of the doors and take your reading. If the doors remain open, your reading will be slightly inaccurate. If you require more than what you just weighed, reopen the doors and repeat the process. If you spill some, lift the weighboat and gently brush away the debris. Replace the weighboat, close the doors, and take your final reading.